As a student, being able to travel with Advance Parole in 2015 for the first time with an alternative spring break at the University of Wyoming really opened my eyes. And in 2017, with the opportunity to travel back to Mexico for the first time in over 20 years. And I can never thank the Advance Parole privilege that we had to travel, because I was able to reconnect with those historical oral stories that my family told.
I'm from El Estado de Mexico. I was blessed enough to go back through Advance Parole and hug my siblings, meet my nephews and nieces for the first time after 18 years.
My father passed away January 11th of last year. So I wasn't able to say goodbye to my father. I tried applying for Advance Parole. Unfortunately, I was denied. I was told that they weren't doing Advance Parole, the reason being that DACA was rescinded. So
this is a very important issue to us. We consider it a human right to travel. And we had this human right to travel before September 5th through the DACA program. But since DACA was rescinded, and we're still litigating this matter in court, in the meantime, our family members are dying abroad and we can't go visit them.
It's so good to see you. We're DACA recipients from all over the U.S. and we are today
Amazing.
advocating for a restoration of Advance Parole, which is a travel permit that was taken away.
thank you for coming out. I cannot tell you how important it is for you all to really physically take up space in this building and tell people that this is something that is important to you and important to your community. My district is 50% immigrant. We have a lot of DACA recipients, TPS recipients, and we have to fight really, really hard, because to fight for you is to fight for our country.
There's no reason why they continue to deny Advance Parole.
I agree. No, I agree. I agree. Okay.
Go ahead and
good.
keep that.
I'll keep it.
So
Okay.
we can
Sign me up.
support.
I believe that we will win!